Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here.
Yes,
Thank you.
always. All right, today's question, Gary, let's put it up there. Can I receive workers' compensation if my injury is caused by a coworker? Can I sue the coworker?
And so we're back to our Google question.
This is a Google question.
Yeah,
Okay.
actually it was. I'm surprised it's this far down the list,
Yeah.
but here we are. So the question is, can I receive workers' comp if
Yeah.
I'm harmed by my coworker? Well, usually that's how you are harmed, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, something happens at work. It's usually somebody's fault. These things just don't.
Gotcha.
People don't get hurt because nothing happened wrong,
Yeah.
right? I mean, you can sit in a chair by yourself and you're not going to get hurt usually, but when somebody moves something or, you know,
Yeah.
or hits you or something happens. So that's, yes, that is when you get workers' compensation. I mean, things can fall out of the ceiling, but maybe a coworker hung that, right? Or maybe not. But no, the fact that it's a coworker doesn't really matter. It's whether it's on the job or not
Okay.
that qualifies you for workers' compensation. Now, the second question,
Yeah, can I sue the
can
coworker?
I sue? And that is an answer is usually no. You have an exclusive remedy is what they call it. That's the legal term.
Okay.
It's not that complicated, but anyway, that's all you get.
Yeah.
Generally, as far as your coworker and your employer go, you get workers' comp. You do not get pain and suffering and workers' compensation. You get medical bills, you get the treatment you need, you get time, you get paid for your time when you're lost from work, and you can get compensated for permanent disability that happens, but not pain and suffering. So that's when things get complicated.
Yeah, okay, so if you do get workers' comp, are you limited to just that?
And you are as far as your employer goes, but you're not as far as compensation if it is a third party who calls it. So if you're at work and in a
yeah.
car wreck,
Yeah.
or if you're at work and some cleaning company came in, or somebody hung something above and it falls because they didn't put the right clamps on it, then you potentially have case against the third party who's not your coworker.
Right.
Or if you're working on a job site and there are other companies there and they, you know, so it's all about that employee relationship. You can get the workers' comp from your employer and still have a case against the third party, the other person who actually caused the negligence that led to your injury. So there's a lot to it.
There is. It's great. Thank you for explaining
Yeah.
that, Gary. We'll see you on the next legal break.